Hello friends, let us discuss today the testing of the transformer oil as per IS 1866-2000. Transformer oil is basically tested for the following parameters, that is following test have been conducted on a transformer oil in order to check the healthiness of the transformer oil. First test is the flash point test, second one is the crackle test, third one is the dielectric strength test, and fourth one is the acidity test. These four tests are most important tests in order to have the quality of the insulation oil for the transformer. Right, let us discuss first the flash point. Flash point test. Flash point is nothing but the temperature at which the oil gives off vapor that flashes when exposed to an open flame. Means when we heated the transformer oil, then vapor starts evaporating from the surface of the transformer oil, and when further temperature increases up to the ignition point, and when we uh, give some flame near to that vapor, then it will catch the fire, and that point is known as the fire point of the transformer. In this test, generally transformer oil is heated continuously till a point is reached at which the vapor is fall on the surface of the oil, fire spontaneously. Right? What we will do in this test? Just we heat it continuously with the transformer oil till a point is reached at which the vapor is formed. Means when the vapor starts evaporating from the surface of the transformer oil, that point is nothing but the flash point of the transformer. Generally speaking, as per the IS, the temperature of the oil at this point should not be less than 130 to 140, near equal to 150 degree centigrade. Another test is the crackle test. Crackle test is basically conducted to know the presence of water or the moisture in the oil, right? Because water or the moisture is the one of the contaminant agent which will decrease the oil BDV, means the breakdown increase of the oil, right? So that we can remove that content of the moisture or the water from the oil, we have to first check the moisture content in a transformer oil by this crackle test. Right? In this test, we'll take a sample of transformer oil in a test tube. Then it is heated on a gas burner. That's what we are doing. We have taken a oil sample in a test tube and heated that test tube with the help of gas burner. If water or the moisture is present in the oil, the cracking noise is here. Right? There is a simple test that when you put the oil onto the tawa, right? Then there is a crackle sound because it is having the moisture or the water content. And this is the simple test. These are the some methods by which we can find out the water contents in a transformer oil. Right? Another method is simple. Oil is taken in a glass beaker of 200 ml. An iron rod of 12.5 millimeter size is heated to a red hot and then plug into the oil under test. Means we have taken oil in a glass, we have taken one of the iron rod and which is heated, so that it is heated to the red hot, and we plug that rod into that oil, and when we are listening heard the cracking sound, means it is that transformer oil is having the moisture of the water. Now another test is the dielectric strength test, means oil BDV test. We call it as oil BDV test of the transformer. This is the most important test as far as the transformer oil is concerned. Right? Basically we are use here the transformer oil testing kit. This is the kit where you are generally using. Construction of this oil testing kit is simple, right? This dielectric test of the transformer is carried out the testing set, which consists of the standard oil test cell. I mean, this is the standard oil test cell, which is approximately 100 by 60 millimeter, 100 by 60 millimeter, and the cross sectional area are nearly 85 millimeter high. 85 millimeter, and its cross sectional area is 100 by 60 millimeter, and height is about 85 millimeter. This test cell is having two brass sphere which is having the diameter 12.7 millimeter, 12.7 millimeter, and the gap in between these two brass sphere is about 2.5 millimeter plus 0.002 millimeter, means this is the tolerance we require actually, right? The test circuit consists of a dimmer-stat whose input voltage is given to 230 volt and the output is given to the step-up transformer, right? And the output of the step-up transformer, means high voltage side of the transformer, is connected across the two rods. With that rods are connected to the brass sphere. Now, how to conduct this test? We are collecting the sample of the oil from the bottom of the transformer by drained cock, right? In a clean glass or the clean tube, means the glass where we collecting the transformer oil, that glass should be very clean, which is not having the dust and dirt particle, which is not having any moisture or the water. Then that oil which is collected from the transformer bottom is now poured into this test cell. Up to what level? Up to the level greater than 1 centimeter or above 1 centimeter to these spheres, means this sphere should be inside the oil, right? Now start the supply, and increase the dimmer-stat, increase the dimmer-stat or the rotate the dimmer-stat such that the voltage across these two spheres will be increases, right? Now note down this voltage. This is the calibrated voltage which is measured by to the high voltage side, right? Very sensitive voltmeter is connected. By increasing this dimmer-stat, we will increase in the voltage across this high voltage side. Then we will observe the flash which is occurred in between these two spheres. When the flash is occurred in between these two spheres, means the breakdown of the oil which is present in between these two spheres will goes into the breakdown. Now, as soon as the breakdown of the oil will be taken place, this circuit breaker will trip. This circuit breaker will trip and isolate the circuit. Continue this process. Continue this process up to 4 to 5 readings and take the average of that value oil BDV. That is the final BDV of this transformer oil. Right? This is how we are taken the oil BDV test. Have you understood? Thank you.